Boom shakalaka to you, Pyromaniacs. It's your boy Skeeter down here in the Thunder Chamber today, and I got one right here. Oh, goes a little old school. We got a 500 gram. I do believe it is a 16 shot. Yes, it is. Boom shakalaka by RGS brand fireworks. Really good stuff, that is. And let me tell you what, RGS never disappoints. So I'm excited to get it on over and see what this one can do. And I'm sure y'all have noticed the artwork on this. I mean, if you're old school like me and you're a nerd, NBA Jam all day, baby. Makes me miss that game so bad. Used to play it all the time on my Genesis. But anyway, I ain't gonna talk much today. We're just gonna get on over to the launch pad and shoot us a couple threes and see how this thing does. So, boom shakalaka, here we go.